Well, this is our ice storm. Got my power to my house. Luckily, my truck was over here. It was safe. We've got trees falling right now. But this started at 1:30 last night. There's another one. Thank goodness I've already had an animal check and everybody's okay. I lost the top of that tree. Just another one just fell right over there. Lost the top of this tree right there. Not this one here, but this one. Power line just down, goes down and to the house, and then of course the tree took it out. Yeah, it was a big tree.